So, how does an installation like that even begin? Well, it starts right at the beginning, in early education. This is like level one of the programming, where the system's main goal is just to install conformity.
Right from day one, the system makes a huge choice. It tends to suppress what you might call practical intelligence, or street smarts, the kind of thinking that's great at solving messy, real-world problems. Instead, it heavily rewards academic intelligence, which is the skill of finding the one, single, pre-approved, right answer. And why is that? Well, a workforce trained to seek consensus is just a whole lot easier to manage than a bunch of independent thinkers.
And here's where it gets really clever. The system doesn't fight our human nature, it actually hacks it. It taps into our brain's most ancient software, that survival instinct. You have to remember, for our ancestors, getting cast out from the tribe was basically a death sentence. That deep, primal fear of being excluded is still hardwired into us today. And this is how the classroom environment weaponizes that fear. It sets up a simple loop. A question has one right answer. If you get it, you're rewarded. If you get it wrong, you're punished. Every time that happens, it pokes at that ancient fear of exclusion. And the lesson you learn is simple and powerful. It's a lot safer to agree with the group than it is to think for yourself and risk being wrong.